What is the meaning of rationalization? It means that suppose if a number like 2, which is a prime number, so there's a number which is in under root, or we can say which is in the form of irrational number. We have to do something with this. We have to multiply this, divide this, or do anything just to make it rational. Currently it is irrational, but we have to convert this irrational to rational. So how we can do it? This method is known as rationalization. This rationalization can be achieved in different ways. Let us see. First way is, suppose only one number is there. First type, when only one number is there, like under root 2. This can be simply achieved by multiplying or dividing by the same number to itself. So when we have to rationalize root 2, we will multiply root 2 by root 2. It gives 2. So previously it was irrational and now it is rational. So what we did? We did multiplied this number by the same number. So this number will be called as rationalization factor. So question may arise to find out the rationalization factor of the given number. Suppose we will take another question, rationalization factor of root 5. So what will be the rationalization factor of root 5? Rationalization factor of any number is the number that makes irrational number into rational. So rationalization factor of root 5 will be root 5, because on multiplying with this it will be 5. Now let us see some difficult question. Rationalization factor of root 8. So you might be thinking, sir, multiplied by this same number, root 8? No. Rationalization factor only be achieved when the number is in simple form. So this is not a simple form of root 8. So simple form of root 8 will be under root 2 into 2 into 2, or we can say 2 root of 2. How it comes out? Because we know whenever the pair will happen, it will come out. So 2 as a pair, it will come out and becomes 2, and this 2 will remain here. Is it? Now we have to find out the rationalization factor of 2 root 2, and it is already rational, and only we have to rationalize this number which is under root 2. So what is the rationalization factor of under root 2? Rationalization factor of under root 2 is under root 2. So the answer of this question is under root 2. Rationalization factor of root 8 is root 2, not root 8. I hope it is clear. Now let us see